YouTube is a buffalo perch killer. It's the day after Thanksgiving. We out here perching.
Oh, it went down. It's gone. It's gone.
Come on. Oh. Oh, them two big perch. YouTube.
Oh.
That's perching.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, that's perching, brother. Oh, yeah, that's perching.
Dang. Disrespect.
Two nice perch. Oh, there's some pretty perch. There's some pretty perch. Oh, that's a perch. Oh, that's a big perch. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Right in the perch prison with his twin brother and sister. Get your butt up in there. Ooh, that perch prison looking good. Buffalo, New York. Nice perch. Ooh, that's a nice perch. Lake Erie perch. Can I get one? Just one. Ooh, it's the buffalo perch killer. And I think I got him. Oh yeah, y'all see him. I think I got him, y'all. And this is only 6 pound test. It's only 6 pound test, y'all. It's only 6 pound test, y'all. It's only 6 pound test. He's still down. I don't see him. Y'all see him? There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Oh yeah, we got him. And we got him. And we got him, YouTube. We got him. Let me get close to him so I can grip. Come here, boy. And we got him. Thank you, sir. Oh, thank you, sir. Yeah, we got him. You got your stringer with you or no? YouTube, y'all saw me catch that northern. Y'all saw me catch that northern. I'm give y'all a sneak peek into the perch prison. Oh yeah, perch prison looking good. Day after Thanksgiving. Oh, that was a beautiful, beautiful fish. Y'all see the Bills buckets? We rocking the Bills buckets. Yeah, after we done whooped Dallas, we whooped him. YouTube, did y'all see the Buffalo Bills whoop Dallas yesterday? Yeah, we whooped them. We whooped Dallas for real. Anybody in Dallas watching the YouTube channel, we whooped y'all. And we came out today and caught some perch. Y'all see them perch in there? Let me see. Y'all got whooped on. We're gonna eat him. For y'all, yes sir. For y'all that don't eat northerns, we eat them up here. All right. Oh, double header. That still tells them northerns is gone. Northerns don't went about their business now. Missed it. Just knew I had it. Y'all see my pet northern down there? What's up, Spike? Y'all see Spike down there? Look at him, trying to get loose. Look at him trying to get loose, y'all. Y'all see him? That's my pet northern. YouTube is a buffalo perch killer. It's the day after Thanksgiving. We out here perching.
Oh, it went down. It's gone. It's gone.
Come on. Oh, I just missed it. I thought it was you first. I just missed the bite. We're gonna try to get one on camera. But it's the day after Thanksgiving. We did pretty good. We probably got about 25, 30 nice perch between the two of us. Got a nice northern over here on the stringer, our new northern cat. But perching is good in Buffalo once again. And we're gonna stay right up on them. Ice fishing is coming up. I know everybody's excited about some ice to come out here. I have some reports of some nice 12, 13-inch perch out in the harbor, but it's in a certain location. I haven't fished that location. I'm gonna probably try it tomorrow and verify for myself if these 13, 14-inch perch exist out here. We caught some 12s, but not no 13, 14s. I've seen some. I just haven't caught any. First perch fishing with the lighted bobber. We're gonna throw him back. It's turning night out. So I'm fishing with a Theo lighted bobber. Let's see if I can let you see it. There we go, right there, see it? That's a Theo lighted bobber. Perfect. YouTube was the Buffalo Perch Killer at work 2 days before Thanksgiving. Kitchen coming along beautiful. Full edition kitchen. This area was the old kitchen. This area is the new kitchen with a bathroom. Perch Killer out.